ginseng ampalaya with egg.
Place the ampalaya in a bowl. Add salt, water. Soak for at least 10 minutes. Slightly squeeze. Wash thoroughly. Cooking oil. Sauté garlic. Onion.
Tomato.
Sauté until it's softened. Dried shrimp. Sauté for a minute. Add the ampalaya. Add water. Simmer until the veggie changes its color. Some dried shrimps are really salty, so taste it before seasoning with salt. Add salt. Eggs. It's done when the eggs are cooked. Thank you for watching. Happy eating!